Parev! I'm Armine from Hayasa, and in today's video, we'll be learning some commonly used phrases and expressions in Western Armenian. I'm sure you've heard some of these before at family gatherings or parties, and today we'll discover together what they really mean. To show warmth and compassion to those we care about, in Western Armenian, we like to replace their names with some of these phrases. The first is hokis, which means my soul. In English, the equivalent might be my dear. You can use this term with close friends and family members that you really love. The next phrase is anushig, which means sweetie. You commonly use this phrase with female friends and family members, usually those who are younger than you. The last of these phrases is jigeres, which means my liver. It might sound funny, but it shows the person you're talking to that you really value them, just like a vital organ. Let's go over some examples together. My parents often refer to me as jigeres. My grandparents like to call me anushigas. And in my circle of friends, we commonly refer to each other as hokis. Even family members have to apologize to each other sometimes. So when the time comes to apologize, you might hear some of these Western Armenian phrases. Neruhutyun means I'm sorry. And in response to that, you might hear vnas chuni or pammeche. Vnas chuni means no harm done, and pammeche means it's nothing. So you know you're off the hook easily. Even if you don't speak any Western Armenian, you've definitely heard these expressions before. In Armenian families, the adult family members tend to be more assertive, and the children respect their elders in return. You've definitely heard the expression yegur hos, which means come here. It sends every Armenian child running back to their family. And mekat bukas is a bit gentler way of asking them to please come over. To sum up, today we learned the meanings of some commonly heard expressions in Western Armenian. Let's go over them together one more time. Hokis, jigeres, anushigas. Vnas chuni, nerovusyun, pammeche, yegur hos, mekat kukas. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us again and hope to see you next time.